This fireplace is designed for both wall-mounted and recessed installation, which is a perfect solution for any space. The heating temperature is from 71 degrees Fahrenheit to 99 degrees Fahrenheit. Higher heat for a large living room. Also, the flame can be operated with or without heat. Press the button for 15 seconds. The temperature setting will switch from degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. Note, before removing the glass panel, please remove the silver screw on both sides of the fireplace. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. This recessed fireplace comes with logs and crystals that resemble burning coals, creating an authentic feel and look of a traditional fireplace. 3-color top lights design and 3 flame effects can be set according to your preference. Also, this electric fireplace is equipped with both a touch screen and remote control, which help you control the heater more conveniently. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 2-ways installation. 44.02 inches width by 5.85 inches depth by 17.72 inches height. With top front air vent. This fireplace is designed for both wall mount and recessed installation, which can provide supplemental heating for a room up to 400 square feet. 5,120 BTUs, 6 feet power cable, 110 to 120 volts. Number 2. 2 heating modes with timer. Higher heating temperature. From 71 degrees Fahrenheit to 99 degrees Fahrenheit. The flame can be operated with or without heat. As a heater, its heating level can be adjusted to low 750 watts or high 1,500 watts according to your room temperature. A built-in timer for auto shutoff can be set for 1 hour to 9 hours. Number 3. Multi-flame modes. 3-color top lights design. 3 flame colors and 3 fuel bed colors can be set according to your preference. Equipped with a touch screen and remote control 11.5 feet control distance, which helps you control this heater more conveniently. Number 4. 2 fuel bed options. This recessed fireplace comes with logs and crystals that resemble burning coals, creating an authentic feel and look of a traditional fireplace and bring interesting DIY assembly. Number 5. Safety. This ventless fireplace uses LED technology, which requires no gas, oil, and is smokeless, ashless, and energy-saving. Its overheat protection would cut off the device when the heater is superheating. 1-year warranty and lifetime support by Valuxhome, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.